you get your own car? What does Bella think of your car? Ooh. Ooh. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Scott, I want to get her. Beep beep. Beep beep. Ava. Ava. Oh, look.
Oh, she needs this for the dining.
Ooh, Ava, look at you. I think you like your car. Wow. Good job. Here comes Ava in her car. Yeah, you look so cute with your striped top on. Yeah. Good job, Ava. Good job.
Must be a messy one.
Good job.
All hands on deck.
Good job, Ava. Good job. Where did Ruby go? I thought she was here.
Oh, my mom took her.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why you needed to bring her. Got it, got it.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't have to. They could have.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Picture.
Yeah, what do you think, Ava? What do you think? Woohoo! Okay. Over and out.